Wow. 6 months I've waited for this opening day. The book, first of 2 books from Utopian Heights Studios, Dennis Evans and Nancy Mee. I can't wait to open it. I met them both when they were students at the University of Washington, and I was a professor teaching printmaking and video and other things. And as I said, it's the first of 2 books. The first one is this one of Dennis' work, and the next one coming out will be of Nancy's work, and they both have text by Matthew Kangas, who's for years been one of the Northwest leading art critics, historian, many things, curator. Here it is. It's called Apocraphy. It's a little hard for me to learn the words, but I think produced in Italy. And oh my, oh my, this is a treasure. Now that I've had some fun going through the whole book, I had the extra fun part of putting stickers on those particularly interesting pieces in Dennis Evans' book. The sticker is called a near field communication tag, and I've loaded it with the YouTube video from around 1980.
All of your sins away, so you can go out into this backspace.
The show is filled with all kinds of visual surprises.
Isn't this fun?